Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Amazon Pay to your UI with WooCommerce easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Amazon Pay to your UI with WooCommerce, start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section in the left-hand menu. Click on Add New to search for new plugins. In the search bar, type Amazon Pay and press Enter. Locate the Amazon Pay for WooCommerce plugin from the results. Click on the Install Now button next to the plugin. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate to enable the plugin. After activation, find the new Amazon Pay option in the WooCommerce settings. Click on Amazon Pay to open the configuration page. You will need to sign up for an Amazon Pay account if you don't already have one. Once your account is ready, obtain your merchant ID and access keys from the Amazon Pay merchant dashboard. Return to your WooCommerce Amazon Pay settings page. Enter your merchant ID and access keys in the appropriate fields. Adjust the settings according to your preferences, such as display options and payment method availability. Next, navigate to the WooCommerce tab and click on Settings. Select the Payments tab to ensure Amazon Pay is enabled as a payment method. Check the box next to Amazon Pay to activate it. You may also want to test the integration in sandbox mode first before going live. To do this, enable the sandbox mode option in your Amazon Pay settings. After testing, you can switch to the live environment by disabling the sandbox mode. Once you've confirmed that everything is working correctly, your Amazon Pay integration is complete. Now your customers can enjoy a smooth checkout experience using Amazon Pay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.